Hey guys, it's T again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working with the Little Miss Moisture package. And as you guys can see, we got a little miss over here. Say hi. Okay, so this package is going to include everything that you need from start to finish to get through managing your little kid's hair. Everything from detangling to styling, laying those edges, all of that. So stick around and we'll get to it. So first we're gonna be using our coconut milk leave-in conditioner. This is great just for helping you detangle and keeping the tears down. As you guys know, that is like the task, just detangling natural hair. So what you want to do is just evenly distribute your leave-in conditioner throughout the hair, and then you are going to comb through it. Start at your ends and kind of work your way to the top. It's super important to make sure you detangle before you put water to it, because if not, they're going to have dreadlocks. Now, for those of you guys who are going to be doing this at home, I know you only have your kitchen sink, but that's okay. Bathtub, kitchen sink, it's old school, but it gets the job done. So just make sure you have nice warm water and they're positioned so that the water doesn't get in their eyes. And you just wanna make sure that you saturate their hair with the water. So you're only gonna need a little bit. This is really moisturizing. It lathers really well. So just start off small, and then if you feel like you still need a little bit more shampoo to get you through the rest of the job, that's fine. So your coconut milk shampoo is definitely going to add instant moisture. It's going to help strengthen their hair as well. When we're doing a whole lot of combing and brushing and not adding a lot of moisture to their hair as naturals, it could definitely damage their hair. So this is going to instantly moisturize their hair. It's really lightweight and it's going to penetrate their hair shaft very quickly. All right, now that we've done our two shampoos, we are following up with our coconut milk conditioner, and this is just gonna add more moisture and shine to the hair. It's gonna help detangle the hair. It's gonna help strengthen the hair. And you wanna make sure that you apply enough to evenly distribute throughout the hair. So it just depends on how much hair you have. As you guys can see, her little natural curls are popping. Come through hair. All right, so I know I used some leave-in conditioner before I shampooed her hair, but sometimes after the shampoo, it can still get a little bit tangled, so I brought it back. I just sprayed a little bit on her ends. All right, so now I have her hair in 3 sections. We're gonna do a really cute mohawk look, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Step 1, I'm gonna use the glazed edges around her sides and her back, just the perimeter of the section, so that I can get her hair to lay down as flat as possible. So the great thing about our glazed edges is it's gonna lay the hair down really smooth, but you're not gonna get that really greasy, sticky, flaky consistency. It's just gonna lay the hair down smooth, add some shine to it, and it lasts really long. So once you apply the glazed edges to the perimeter of the section, you just want to take your brush and go through the section, brush up. We created our section, we used our glazed edges around the perimeter and brushed it, and then we put our little knocker on there. I really just like kids to look like little kids. So these little bows bring back memories for me. I love it. Okay, so now that we've got our section with our knocker on it, you can go ahead and break this section into 2 pieces and comb through it. Okay, once you comb through it, you can apply some curl defining cream to the hair. And your curl defining cream is gonna do just what it says. It's gonna define the curls. It's gonna add a lot of moisture to the hair. And give it a nice sheen. It's also gonna help you detangle a little bit. All right, so once you do that, you'll keep your hair in those two sections, and then we're just gonna do like a nice twist. Not a braid, just a 2-strand twist. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is a quick and easy look. And then what we're gonna do is take this 2-strand twist and wrap it around her knockers to create a bun. Okay. So this is what it's gonna look like once you're done. Got it? Okay, and you just repeat that step throughout these next 2 sections. All right, and now we're gonna do the same thing that we did with all of our other sections. We're gonna section this in 2, and we're going to do a 2-strand twist on each side and then wrap them around. And don't forget to add your defining cream, your curl defining cream, whenever you get ready to do your 2-strand twist. So if you have not seen my other video on a quick and easy mold, 2 looks for a quick and easy mold, definitely check that out. Okay, last step. I know you guys are wondering, why did I leave these little pieces out, right? So I left them out because I want to give her a little extra kick. So I'm going to take my curl defining cream and I'm going to run it through her side pieces. These are going to be like my little baby hair edges, little curls. And we are going to let the curl defining cream do its thing. It's gonna define these curls and just follow the curl pattern. Follow the way the curl wants to go. All right, and that is your quick and easy Little Miss Moisture package look.